Hey guys, this is a big surprise here. So it was, yeah, we tried to catch some fish, but we see lights coming in from the water, and then Shaaba gets very scared. So yeah, we don't know exactly what is coming in there. We don't know what is this mysterious. We don't know is Halloween stuff or yeah, spiritual or something other. So we are very a little bit. Confused right now, so you can see there it's pumping what, yeah, you see the light there, so this is very strange. And yeah, we don't know exactly. Tell us what you think about